Alright, we're going to take a look at what comes with the ride height calibration tool. You're going to get your center, wheel center piece, you're going to get the measurement rod, and all the tools you're going to need. So let's take a look. It's actually pretty quick and easy. We're going to take these here, keep it easy and line them up. Comes with these tools and a little Allen wrench. I like to get them started there with my hands. Hopefully you can see that. Pretty simple here. Tighten them down a little bit. Now we ship the measurement tool with the guide on it, but if it ever falls off, it just slides right off the top. Slides in, just like that. And then if you're feeling the need to remember what great company brought you this, slide the sticker on right there. There you go.